Want to erase the current content and settings on your iPhone? Restoring your device to factory settings is easy. We'll go over how to do it straight from your iPhone or on your Mac or Windows computer. Before you start, remember that a factory reset will erase all the data on your iPhone. If you want to save your content or settings or transfer them to a new device, you'll need to have a backup saved on your computer or in iCloud. You'll also want to make sure you have your Apple ID password handy. If you want to restore to factory settings from your device, first go to Settings. Tap General, and then Reset. Next, tap Erase All Content and Settings. You may be asked if you'd like to update your iCloud backup. If you're ready to erase the content on your iPhone, tap Erase Now. Then, if prompted, enter your passcode or Apple ID password. Then tap Erase iPhone to confirm. Now wait for your iPhone to erase. You can also restore your iPhone to factory settings using your Mac or Windows computer. If you're using macOS Catalina, you'll use the Finder. If you're using macOS Mojave or earlier, or if you're using a Windows computer, you'll use iTunes. First, you'll need to get your device ready. In Settings, tap your name, tap Find My, then tap Find My iPhone, and turn it off. When prompted, enter your Apple ID password, then tap Turn Off to confirm. Next, connect your iPhone to your computer. If you see a message asking for your device passcode or to trust this computer, follow the on-screen prompts to continue. Next, click Restore iPhone. If this step isn't working, double-check to see if you've signed out of Find My. If you haven't, you won't be able to restore your iPhone. This next step will erase your device, meaning all current content and settings will be gone. Unless you have a backup, you won't be able to retrieve them. If you're sure you want to continue, click Restore again to confirm. Wait for your computer to install the latest version of iOS on your iPhone. Your device will restart, and you'll see the Hello screen. And that's it.